To take on an impossible journey, you need an incredible guide, and boy, did they find one.
So who would you pick to guide you? Professor Leidenbrock's choice? An Icelandic duck hunter?
And this was him, Hans Bjelke. Tall, strong, with his quiet, philosophical calm about him.
His demeanor was just something else. It seemed like nothing in the world could shake him. He was the perfect contrast to the professor. Hans's calm pretty much anchored the whole expedition. So, they struck a deal, quick and simple. The terms were totally straightforward.
When they offered to pay him up front, his only reply was one word: after.
Okay, guide hired. Time to pack. First up, all the delicate scientific instruments.
I mean, these were crucial for understanding the totally unknown world way down there. Then came the more practical stuff: tools, ropes, and enough food for 6 months.
But weapons? Our narrator, Axel, was a bit confused. What was his uncle expecting? By 6 a.m. on June 16th, everything was finally ready. The journey was on.
They said their goodbyes, hopped on their tough Icelandic horses, and left Reykjavik behind.
Axel was just buzzing with excitement, soaking up the pure freedom of the trip.
But the scenery got real harsh fast, just barren rocks and rugged, distant mountains. Luckily, their horses were total pros, built for these kinds of impossible roads.
After about 24 miles, they hit a snag, a big one. Their path was completely blocked.
A huge fjord stood right in their way, basically a giant sea inlet between massive cliffs.
So it looked like the journey was over before it began. How could they possibly cross?
But Hans, ever the cool customer, just pointed and said one single word.
Färja. It's Danish for ferry. He'd spotted a little boat ready to take them across.
So they all trusted themselves to this, let's say, fragile-looking raft for the crossing.
It was a slow crossing. Took more than an hour, but you know what? They made it safely.
So, first obstacle down. They left the known world behind. But what